Have you ever wondered what pointers are in C/C++? Do these mysterious entities leave you scratching your head? Well, worry not. For today, we unravel the enigma that is pointers in the world of programming. To put it simply, pointers in C/C++ are like treasure maps. Just as a map guides you to a treasure chest, a pointer guides your program to a specific location in memory. It's not the treasure itself, but rather a signpost pointing towards it. Imagine you're in a vast library with books filled with data. Now, you could carry around every book you might want to read, but that would be cumbersome and inefficient, wouldn't it? Instead, you use a catalog that tells you exactly where each book is located. That's essentially what pointers do in C/C++. They hold the address or location of a piece of data in memory, making it much easier and faster for your program to find and access this data. Now, you might be wondering why this is necessary. Why not just access the data directly? Well, there are several reasons. Firstly, pointers provide a way to dynamically allocate memory. This means that your program can request exactly the amount of memory it needs while it's running, rather than having to set aside a fixed amount beforehand. This makes your program more efficient and flexible. Secondly, pointers make it possible to create complex data structures like linked lists and trees. These structures are built out of nodes, each of which contains some data and a pointer to the next node in the structure. Without pointers, these structures simply wouldn't be possible. Lastly, pointers can be used to change the value of a variable from a different part of your program. This is known as passing by reference, and it's a powerful tool that can make your code more concise and efficient. So, to summarize, pointers in C/C++ are like treasure maps or library catalogs. They hold the address of a piece of data in memory, making it easier for your program to find and access this data. Pointers are used for dynamic memory allocation, building complex data structures, and changing variable values by reference. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Misusing pointers can lead to errors and crashes, so always be mindful when working with pointers. Think of them as a tool in your programming toolbox to be used with care and understanding. So the next time you come across pointers in C/C++, don't be intimidated. Just remember the treasure map or library catalog analogy, and you'll be well on your way to mastering this important concept. Happy coding!